AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Also, HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Just so you guys know, I'm going to have the AC4 power supply board kit available probably by the end of the week. I only use the highest grade capacitors. The highest ripple current rating, lowest ESR, highest hour rated caps. 105 Celsius. So this is one board. I'm just waiting on some resistors for the other board. So these will all be assembled with the flying leads, all Teflon leads. So keep an eye out for those on the Harbach site. The next kit will be the Collins one, the 516 F-2, I think it is. So more and more coming. Okay, so I'm going to go through this, fix this. At the gas discharge tubes, needs new filter caps, has the old arrow ones, so I'll change those, change the resistors, put in a series glitch resistor. Someone changed the meter lamps, they left the lamps and put in LED strips. Customer said one flicker, so I'm going to change those out. And I'm going to do everything else I normally do, so please stay tuned and I will see you guys in a bit. And this has a Penta tube, a white base, older one, but high potted okay, so I'll check that out, make sure it's okay when the amp's all done, and see what the output is. So stay tuned. See you soon. Back with the completed Ameritron Al80a. Customer wanted to see it working on 10 meters, so got the brand new LEDs, the settings. Bird 43, PP kit is on. Going into a bird dummy load, 1 kW slug, reuse set to 100 watts. Got my Amprex 3500Z in it. Audio hello, tit tit tit, 950, 950, 950, 950, 950, 950, 950, audio tit 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 tit, audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, display current. Audio hello, that's a relative meter. Always go by an external meter, never go by the internal meter. Audio tit 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 tit. Tit 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 tit. Audio hello, and it's working as it should. I'm gonna let the high voltage bleed down. Unplug it and take the cover off. Discharge any residual high voltage, and I'll show you what I did. See, back with the completed amp. Okay, so I cleaned the rotary switch, band switch with deoxide gold, tightened up on hardware, ran a new high voltage wire from the plate choke up to a series glitch resistor, 10 ohm, 10 watt, ran a new lead to the filter cap board, has the brand new Chemet capacitors, brand new bleeder / equalization resistors, so that tube had definitely flashed. The meter protection diode was shorted, so he's going to buy a new tube from Penta. And remember, to get a discount, if you have an amp with, if you send an amp in for repair, wait till the amp's here, and you'll get a 15% discount. Otherwise, everybody else just use ARG at checkout, and you'll get 10% off. You added gas discharge tubes, and do that on Penta Labs website. Added gas discharge tubes. The Zener was okay, luckily. Brand new So-239's from Max Gain Systems, great people. It's going to get the brand new Penta Lab tube, great people. This was made in 1990. So, tighten up on more hardware over here, clean the TR/bias relay with deoxide gold, and brand new meter lamps. I used the type Ameritron used, and they are hot glued in there and all zip tied nice. So, there's the old ones. Here are the old caps. There's one of them. Old resistors, old So-239's. So this thing's good to go. If you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Also fix the solder joint over there on the soft start resistor. So if you need the amp repaired, give me a call, 203-892-4119. If you meet the criteria on the pack and ship info page on AmpRepairGuy.com, feel free to just send it in. But please make sure it meets that criteria. I don't want to see anyone waste money sending it in, sending an amp in, and just shoot me a text message with the tracking number. So websites again, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. More to come. Stay tuned. 73.